Hey there, little peeps, animal lovers. It's me, and today we're diving into the wildest, wackiest, and most unbelievable animal facts ever. Did you know giraffes barely sleep, or that dolphins keep one eye open while snoozing? How about this? Octopuses have 3 hearts. Get ready because we've got the coolest, craziest animal facts that will make you say, no way! So buckle up, explorers. It's time for an animal adventure. Let's go! Giraffes sleep only 30 minutes a day, usually in short naps. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. Dolphins sleep with one eye open to stay alert for predators. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. Blue whales have hearts the size of a small car. Hippopotamuses secrete red-colored sweat which acts as sunscreen. Kangaroos can't walk backward. Pandas spend around 14 hours a day eating bamboo. Cheetahs can accelerate faster than a sports car, reaching 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. Sloths are so slow that algae grow on their fur, helping them blend into trees. Otters hold hands while they sleep to keep from drifting apart. Orcas, killer whales, are actually members of the dolphin family. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to absorb heat. Armadillos are the only mammals with hard shells. Rabbits can rotate their ears 180 degrees. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect against sandstorms. Hedgehogs can have up to 5,000 spines on their bodies. Lions rest for up to 20 hours a day. Zebras each have unique stripe patterns just like human fingerprints. Ostriches can run faster than horses. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Penguins have solid bones, unlike most birds, to help them dive. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. Eagles have vision 8 times sharper than humans. Flamingos get their pink color from eating shrimp and algae. Woodpeckers can peck 20 times per second without hurting their brains. Crows can recognize human faces and even remember kindness or threats. Peacocks, the bright, colorful feathers belong only to males. Females are brown. Albatrosses can fly for months without landing. Pigeons can find their way home from 1,300 miles away. Parrots can live over 80 years. Kiwis lay eggs that are almost the same size as their body. Emus can't walk backward, just like kangaroos. Secretary birds can kill venomous snakes by stomping on them. Chickens have over 30 different sounds to communicate. Toucans use their large beaks to stay cool, not just for eating. Swans mate for life and can recognize their partner's voice. Starlings can mimic sounds, including human speech. Hornbills seal themselves inside tree trunks while laying eggs. Chameleons change color not for camouflage but for temperature control. Komodo dragons have venomous saliva that slowly poisons their prey. Crocodiles can live up to 100 years. Turtles can breathe through their butts when hibernating. Geckos have sticky feet that let them walk on ceilings. Frogs can freeze solid in winter and come back to life in spring. Salamanders can regrow lost limbs, including their tails and even parts of their heart. Gila monsters store fat in their tails for months of survival. Snakes can sense heat with special pits near their noses. Alligators can survive in frozen water by sticking their snouts above the ice. Clownfish can change gender if needed. Sharks have been around longer than dinosaurs. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, or bones, yet they can live for years. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Seahorses, the males give birth, not the females. Pufferfish inflate themselves to twice their size to scare predators. Manta rays have the biggest brains of any fish. Electric eels can produce 600 volts, enough to shock a horse. Narwhals have a long horn that's actually a tooth. Lobsters can live over 100 years. Bees communicate by doing a waggle dance. Butterflies taste with their feet. Ants can carry 50 times their body weight. Tarantulas can regrow lost legs. Tick insects can remain motionless for hours to avoid predators. Fireflies glow because of a special chemical reaction inside their bodies. Praying mantises can rotate their heads 180 degrees. Dragonflies are among the fastest insects, reaching speeds of 35 miles per hour. Ladybugs can play dead when they feel threatened. Termites build mounds taller than a house in some regions. Axolotls can regrow their spine, brain, and even heart. Platypuses lay eggs even though they are mammals. Echidnas have 4-headed tongues. Blobfish look like jelly when deep underwater but firm up at high pressure. Tarsiers have the biggest eyes compared to their body size. Naked mole rats don't feel pain like other animals. Tar-nosed moles can smell underwater by blowing bubbles. Leafy sea dragons look just like floating seaweed to hide from predators. Fossa, a cat-like predator found only in Madagascar. Koppie are relatives of giraffes but look like a zebra-giraffe mix. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. Bison can run up to 35 miles per hour despite their bulky size. Wolverines have super strong teeth that can chew through frozen meat. Manatees are closely related to elephants, not whales. Raccoons have hands as sensitive as a human's, which helps them find food. Mountain goats can climb near vertical cliffs thanks to their special hooves. Moose can swim for several miles at a time. Baboons can tell the difference between real words and nonsense words. Anteaters have tongues that can flick out 150 times per minute. Hyenas have a bite force stronger than a lion's. Gibbons can swing through trees at speeds of 35 miles per hour. Capybaras are the world's largest rodents. Pangolins are the only mammals covered in scales. Sugar gliders can glide up to 150 feet between trees. Dugongs are sometimes called sea cows. Tasmanian devils have the strongest bite per body size of any mammal. Fennec foxes have giant ears to help them stay cool in the desert. Leopards can carry prey twice their weight up a tree. Red pandas use their tails as a pillow when they sleep. Chinchillas have the softest fur of any land mammal. Peregrine falcons are the fastest animals on Earth, diving at 240 miles per hour. Magpies can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of intelligence. Snowy owls can hear prey under a foot of snow. Cuckoos lay their eggs in other birds' nests and let them raise their chicks. Vultures poop on their legs to cool off. Cockatoos can dance to a beat. Kakapos are flightless parrots found only in New Zealand. Harpy eagles have talons as big as a grizzly bear's claws. Great horned owls can crush bones with a pressure of 500 psi. Leatherback sea turtles can dive over 4,000 feet deep. Glass frogs have see-through skin, making their organs visible. Flying snakes can glide through the air by flattening their bodies. Gaboon vipers have the longest fangs of any snake, up to 2 inches. Frilled lizards open a huge frill around their neck to scare predators. Xylels stay in their juvenile form their entire lives. Caiman lizards can stay underwater for up to an hour. Mata mata turtles look like underwater leaves to ambush prey. Horned lizards can shoot blood from their eyes to scare predators. Cuban crocodiles are excellent at jumping, unlike most crocs. Hammerhead sharks have 360-degree vision thanks to their eye placement. Goblin sharks have extendable jaws that shoot forward to grab prey. Lungfish can survive without water for years by burrowing into mud. Anglerfish have a glowing lure to attract prey in the deep sea. Swordfish can swim at speeds of 60 miles per hour. Parrotfish sleep inside a mucus bubble to hide from predators. Giant squid have eyes the size of basketballs. Vampire squid use bioluminescence to scare away predators. Tonefish are the most venomous fish in the world. Mudskippers can walk on land and breathe air. Giant weta weighs as much as a small bird. Glass-wing butterflies have transparent wings for camouflage. Japanese giant hornets can take down an entire beehive in hours. Bullet ants have the most painful sting in the insect world. Tick insects can clone themselves without mating. Scorpions glow under UV light. Assassin bugs wear the corpses of their prey as camouflage. Tarantula hawks paralyze tarantulas to feed their young. Moth caterpillars, some can inflate their heads to look like a snake. Wow! We've learned so much today. National parks keep nature safe, zoos protect endangered animals, and both teach us how to care for the planet. And guess what? You can be a nature hero too. Whether it's planting trees, keeping parks clean, or learning about animals, every small action helps. If you had fun today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. I'll see you next time for another awesome adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and always be kind to nature. Bye-bye.